A new wave of management faculties have emerged in the past few years due to the enablement of IT applications in business. The most significant ones are those of analytics and modeling and simulation. In this video we will try to clarify the differences between analytics and the faculties of modeling and simulation. When IT took over businesses, they came up with a long stream of what we call structured data and unstructured data. Structured data is that data which has a known and oftentimes a fixed format. Unstructured data, on the other hand, may not have a fixed format. For instance, the entries in a bank passbook are in a definitive format and therefore, it is structured. On the other hand, the way a person expresses his feelings in a letter is not having a very definitive format. This, therefore, is unstructured, from a data perspective. Analytics is the systematic computational analysis of such data. There are three characteristics of analytics. Firstly, it involves generating data from data. Secondly, it involves distilling data to more meaningful data. Thirdly, it involves the applications of business, statistics and computational methods to verify the usability of the data. In short, any analytics exercise involves the utilization of data from the data world to the real world. Modeling and simulations is a different family of management faculties. Modeling involves the building up of a simplified yet representative version of the reality. Simulation involves the building up of the behavior at the interface of two interacting entities. For instance, if a person likes chicken, it's natural to expect a high probability that he would eat chicken at a restaurant. This is a model. However, suppose the person had just had chicken for the past 2 days. His likelihood of ordering chicken again in the evening could be lower as he is now bored of it. This is a case for a simulation. So, modeling and simulations begin with an attempt to understand a problem or an application in the real world. Once the problem is defined, it develops a structure to map the required data that is required to solve the real-world problem. This data might be available in an existing data set within the organization. However, most times, this may not be the case. In other words, what one has as data may not be the one that one is looking for. That is, to put it in other words, what we need to know may not be the same as what we know. So modeling and simulations then go about picking that data from the real world. This is then used to develop a model and simulate results that are relevant to the real world. Finally, on getting the results, the best solution is tested and finally implemented in the real world. Therefore, modeling and simulations faculties have three different characteristics. Firstly, they begin with real-world problems and then map them to models and simulations through an appropriate leverage of the data world. Secondly, they deal with problems where a higher confidence level is required to ensure good results. Thirdly, they are usually performed by experts who are from the field. In short, modeling and simulations is the next wave that is embedded in upcoming technologies like artificial neural networks, unsupervised learning, artificial intelligence, etc. These technologies have different elements, modes, and types of modeling and simulation techniques. However, there is no comprehensive usage of the modeling and simulations method developed till date. To learn more about how your business could benefit from it, contact us at consultingconnoisseurs.com or call us at 91-961-942-8209 or 966-54-260-9239 or email us at info@consultingconnoisseurs.com.